Okay guys, this is a quick start video for your new G-Box Q. When you first boot up, you come into weather, you immediately go to the left to setup. Click directly on setup and enter your security code, which is by default 0000. Hit OK, go over to resolution, check that, make sure that's correct and matches your TV, and then go down to video calibration. We click on video calibration. Now these arrows in the corners, they may or may not be visible. If they're off the page, and when you first click into it, it's always the upper top left corner that's first. And you just have to bring that down until you see that blue arrow and fit that into the corner. And that's pretty good. Hit OK, it goes down to the bottom right corner, and same thing. If it's off the page, you don't see it, you have to come up and to the left until it comes on screen and it's blue, and fit it right into the corner. Then hit OK and it'll go to the bottom middle, and you can raise and lower that, and this is where your closed captioning goes, or subtitles if you're watching movies like that. Click on it again, it goes to the center. Don't do anything with the center, it just complicates things. We back out of here. Now we've sized our screen so we can see everything, and we go directly down to Open Elect Configuration Utility. Click on that, and this is the same as the old Wi-Fi setup. If you have an older load and you've used the box before, I renamed it Wi-Fi setup to make it easier. It's actually a configuration utility. We immediately go down to networking. And go to connections, and this shows all your Wi-Fi connections. If you're plugged in, hardwired with a cable to your router, this will automatically be hooked up. It should be, as long as you have your network enabled, wired network enabled, and it will automatically show that it's plugged in, but I left it unplugged so we can show you how to hook up. Now I can go down to Neverland 5G, click on that, hit connect, enter our Wi-Fi password, whatever that may be for your system, and let's I'm going to use a keyboard to try to expedite this. And it will come up an association, then go to configuration, and then finally, now we're in and now we're ready. We have an IP address. We are connected to the internet. We can back out of here. Now we're set up. Our TV is set up, and you can use this as it is now. If we give it a second, it'll propagate all this. You have widgets over movies, TV shows, and live TV, which tells you the top rentals for movies, the top TV shows, and live TV trending shows, the ones that are coming up the fastest. Also, we can go, after we've set this up, if you're not going to move the box again, you don't need setup any longer. So if we go to System Skin Settings, click on that, enter our code again, which is, again, the default is 0000. You can change that if you'd like to anything you'd like. Hit OK. We go in here and go over to our Setup Knox main menu. Go down, go to Setup, go immediately to the right, and uncheck Enabled. And now what will happen is, now if we go to weather, to the left of weather, there's no longer a setup. So out of sight, out of mind. If you've got children, this is family friendly load. They can't go in and accidentally mess up your box or change any settings. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. There is also an adult section which you can enable or just leave unenabled if you don't want anybody to see that. It is locked. You can turn it on and enjoy that if you don't have any kids in the house or you don't really care. but when you have guests over or kids in the house and you don't want them to see that, you can have it so that you don't even see it. It's not even on the menu. It's the same deal. Go down to skin settings, 0000, okay, over to the menu, and you have an adult section which is unenabled, and we're not going to enable that now because there's a lot of people not interested. But if you are, it's there for the taking. All you have to do is go up and enable it, and it will show up on your main menu, and you can enjoy that if you'd like. It's all adult content. If you want to change your password, you can go directly onto system, again, 0000, hit OK. We go down to profiles. All right, again, it's 0000. Okay. Master user, you click on that and go down to lock preferences, and you can change your numeric password. You can either disable it, use a numeric password, which is what I did with 0000. You can use your gamepad button, which we don't have. This is a set-top box, and you have full text password, so you can put in a word if you want instead of numbers. Numeric password, I'm leaving this at 0000. Okay, and then it wants you to repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and I prefer to leave it at 00 because I don't really care. I don't have any kids in the house right now. But that's it, and you can enjoy your new G-Box Q. Have fun. You've got plenty of things to choose from. Play with it a little bit. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at any time.